Welcome back to a short video for ECE 441A, 541A, dealing with the syllabus that we will be using this summer session. It's a 10-week summer session, and you can access this on d2l.arizona.edu. You will interact, or we will interact together via office hours on Zoom. And the ID I didn't put here, but it is available in the hard copy form of the syllabus on the D2L website. And it's also available to you if you look at the course homepage and look underneath the calendar for the appropriate date. And those days will be Mondays and Thursdays, 4 to 5 p.m. on Tucson time for those Zoom office hours. If you do have questions outside of office hours, post those in the appropriate unit on the discussion page on D2L. A short description and justification for the class. The automatic control is a fairly new discipline, but it has very broad application to many different areas, not just in electrical and computer engineering. The material, I think, will be very beneficial to you in terms of modeling, analysis, and control. A little on teaching philosophy and tips for success. Mainly, stay engaged with the class. Your textbook is available as an ebook through the University of Arizona Library System, and most of these other sources are also available, except for the bottom two, online or through the internet. The next couple of pages of the syllabus go through the main administrative and code of academic integrity, how you need to conduct yourself during the course of the semester. What you probably are more concerned with is how will you be assessed during the semester, and that's on this fourth page. I think it's the fourth page of the syllabus. We will have 3 exams. They will be occurring over a 3-day time window, but you will only have a certain length of time once you begin the exam. Those will each be 20% of your grade. The homework, if you're in the undergraduate section, will be 10%. If you're in the graduate section of the class, 5% of your grade will be on homework. The other 5% will be for your project. Everyone, undergraduates and graduates, will be doing the lab experiments, or that component. I may be doing the experimental physically on campus or remotely, and you will then be doing the analysis and the design from those mass spring damper experiments that will be performed during the 3 different labs, Lab 1, 2, and 3, system identification, system performance, and controller design, and those dates are indicated here as well. The exams and labs and homeworks, you will submit your material by scanning into a PDF document and uploading those into the appropriate assignments folder on D2L. I will give you Friday, July 3rd off in observance of Independence Day. This last section on this page shows you the relationship between ECE 441A, 541A, automatic control, and the ABET accredited student learning outcomes 1 through 7. Course outcomes now for this particular course are listed 1 through 17, and you can see just beyond each of those identified topics or particular skills is when they will occur, or when you will be assessed on that topic. Exam 1, Exam 2, Exam 3, and the final exam. That will then be how you will be assessed on, for example, item 9 is how do you construct and interpret the Ruth array. That will be used for stability analysis. To guide you through the topics and how the homeworks are positioned relative to those topics, and this really goes linearly through the textbook, which again you can access as an ebook through the University of Arizona library system. Chapters 2 and 3 will be what you will be assessed on, mainly chapter 2 for exam number 1, and that's going to be then what will be homework 1 and homework number 2. Homeworks 3, 4, and 5 will be on exam 2. Homework 6 and 7 will probably be exam number 3, so I may have to adjust this, but you'll be able to determine what topics are available or are being covered for each of the different exams. Obviously, all of this material will be on the final exam. The final exam will be comprehensive, and you then will be held accountable for units 1 through unit 10 on the final exam. Again, you can always look this up and find out what your status is in the class. Each of the exams are worth 20%. There will be a curve, but if everybody in the class scores 90% or better, everyone will get an A. That curve is designed to help you. So if I have some really challenging exams or homework assignments and no one in the class gets above a 70, then obviously I'm not going to hold you accountable for a 90% overall. That should now help you become comfortable or with the layout of the syllabus, and I believe you now are in a position to proceed through the course based on this particular roadmap. Good luck.